That's the way it's all. Maintenance-free decking is the buzzword for all, composite decking. It's maintenance-free. I wouldn't say it's maintenance-free 100%. It is 99% more maintenance-free than a wood deck, and that's why they say that. You don't have to stain it. You don't have to do a lot of the stuff you have to do with wood decks. Over time, wood decks can break down and rot, whereas maintenance-free composite decks don't. But the maintenance is still there. You still got to clean it. You still got to pick out the stuff in between it. But in general, all the things of an aging deck are reduced and or eliminated by a composite deck. So that's why it's called maintenance free. You don't have to stain it. You don't have to do a lot of the stuff as it ages, but you do still have to clean it. You can get mildew and things on it just from the environment outside, the humidity, weather, things like that. You still have to take care of it in that regard, but it's usually just aesthetic and not structural over time. Composite deck, there's it all depends on the product, but it's usually 20-30 year fade and stain warranty, whereas on a wood deck it can rot. So my parents have a wood deck, but they've taken meticulous care of it, keeping it stained, keeping it treated every year or every other year. Theirs looks as good as the day they put it in 12 years ago or whatever it's been. And I would say if you stay up on your maintenance on a wood deck, but I mean this is $500 to probably $1,000 every year, every other year that you're going to have to keep doing this with a good contractor if you're not going to do it yourself. The maintenance differences between the two, definitely you have a long-term, time and or money commitment, whereas on the maintenance-free composite side you don't. You really just have to clean it over the years.